What's up guys, Eric here from Techisode TV, and I just finished filming my Surface Book 3 unboxing and initial overview and comparison to the Surface Book 2. If you guys haven't checked that video out, you can check it out by clicking the link at the end of this video. While filming that video, I tried to connect the Surface Book 2 tablet to the Surface Book 3 base, and what happened was much worse than I had expected. Now, all of that footage didn't make it into the last video, so I figured I'd make a separate video to just kind of cover what happens if you try to do that. Spoiler alert, it's not good. Let's go ahead and check out the footage. And just in case you guys were hoping to just get the base, to get the more powerful GPU, and keep your Surface Book 2 tablet portion, that does not work, as I'll demonstrate here right now. I'll pull off my Surface Book 3, and I'll put on my Surface Book 2, and we'll see what happens. Look at that. So what's happening right now is these magnets are a different polarity than on the Surface Book 2. So this is actually going to push my Surface Book 2 away from it. Right now I'm trying to push it on and the magnets are just not letting me. Even if you try to kind of forcibly get it on here, like that, yeah, it still doesn't like it. Nothing happens. It doesn't acknowledge anything. Well, that's not good. Now it doesn't want to come off at all, and this button doesn't do anything anymore. So that was not a good thing to test out. Let's turn this back on and see what happens. See if I can get this to pop off. Oh my goodness. I can't get that off. So the tablet portion's still working. This doesn't do anything. All right, so I just switched the camera position so you guys can see me try to get this off. So this is pretty ridiculous. Now you know, never put a Surface Book 2 on the Surface Book base. So now I need to try to forcibly separate this. I'm gonna see what happens when I do that. Oh my, it's like it got glued on. This is insane. I can't get that off at all. Am I making any progress on this? Jeepers, man. That's a problem. That's a really big problem. I have to like get something in here and kind of wedge it open, I think. Because pulling on this is not this is not working. It's not all the way on. There's a gap there. You can see the gap. So I can get something, like it's like barely on there. All right, so we're back. I've got this little screwdriver tool here. I'm gonna gently place this inside here, right next to the muscle wire connection point. That's what that connector is called. And we're gonna slightly pry up and see what happens. Oh, we got it. All right. That's amazing how much force it took to get this thing off, but just a little bit of prying seems to do the trick. So we'll go, yep, there it is. Wow, that was insane. I thought we just totally broke this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this back on and we're gonna see if this works. That's starting up. And now I'm gonna go ahead and check, make sure I didn't leave any marks. Nope, no marks, no damage. Take my Surface Book 3, put that back on, make sure that works. Pops back on as expected. And we'll fire that up. Okay, so we're logged in here. Let's see if any of this, yep. Mouse works, everything still works. Let's go ahead and disconnect it again. Disconnecting it works, so we're good. All right, so lesson learned, never ever put a Surface Book 2 tablet portion onto a Surface Book 3 base. I'm assuming the exact same thing's gonna happen if you try to go the other way. So in case you're wondering, don't do it. Surface Book 2 fired up. Let's go ahead and pop that on the Surface Book 2 base. And that works. All right, Whew, everything's fixed. No damage to either of my Surface Books, so I think we're good. So there you have it, guys. Don't put a Surface Book 2 tablet onto a Surface Book 3 base. If you guys found this video entertaining, be sure to drop it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to see the rest of my Surface Book 3 coverage coming up real soon. That's it for this Techisode. God bless, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.